Today I'm going to make rice porridge using just the ingredients you see here in my old Zojirushi rice cooker. Weirdly, people have been requesting this and it's super easy. Let's look at what you need. First, I've got some chicken bouillon cubes. I'm going to use just one to add a little umami and salt to the porridge. Next, I'll be using Japanese short grain sushi rice. Using the measuring cup that came with the cooker, level off 1 full measuring cup of rice. I'm going to add 1 egg, but not until after the porridge is cooked. Okay, so here's the only slightly tricky part. We're using 1 measuring cup full of rice, so first we pour the rice into the cooker. Don't ever use parboiled rice like minute rice in a rice cooker. I'm not sure what would happen, but it wouldn't be good. Next, we add water up to the line marked 1 underneath the word porridge inside the cooker. I prefer to use bottled spring or drinking water for this, as my local water has a lot of minerals in it that can affect the taste and color of the rice and make it harder to keep the rice cooker clean. Now I'm adding the bouillon cube. The package says to add 1 cube per cup of water if you want it to equal chicken broth, so you can add as many as 3 if you really want that chicken flavor. You could also use beef bouillon, some other kind of dry stock, or nothing at all. What you put in now, if anything, is entirely up to you. I'm adding mushrooms because I love them, but you could put other vegetables or some type of meat, beans, you name it. Just make sure that whatever it is can hold up after being cooked for an hour. Now to start the cooking. Don't just press the cooking button right away. The cooker will think you're making sushi rice and the result would be a disaster. Instead, press the menu button until the arrow is next to the word porridge, then press the cooking button. After about half an hour, you should begin to see steam coming up from the vent in the top. At about the 50-minute mark, the display will tell you how much time is left. Now's a good time to crack your egg into a bowl and let it rest a bit. When the porridge is done, you'll hear a little jingle. Now, scramble your egg. Stir the porridge to make sure the broth and vegetables are mixed evenly. Then, pour in your egg and stir some more. The porridge is still so hot that the egg will cook almost immediately as you stir. That's it. The porridge is ready to eat. Look, I don't normally do cooking videos. I only made this because of all the angry comments I've gotten on a little video I recorded for fun about a decade ago of me using this rice cooker when I got it for my birthday. But if you happen to like video games or Christian theology, I might have other videos that interest you. Thanks for watching.